filthy deep. So this is all wind blown. This may be the spot we get to try our new strap. What's going on, you guys? Griffin here with Country Slickers. We've got a cool new review for you guys today on this OpenRoad UTV slash truck strap. So it's one of those bungee straps, so it extends a little bit whenever you're pulling. It's not going to strip out and put a whole bunch of force on your vehicle. It has a little bit of elasticity to it. Good to 20,000 pounds and good for pulling out trucks, side by sides, all of the above. Really good thing to keep in your emergency pack or have with you when you're out on the trail. But we're going to give it a run today, see how it does. There's only about a foot of snow today, so I don't know if we're going to get stuck, but if we do, we're going to be using this strap to get ourselves out. And if you just take a quick look at the strap itself, so really nice fine fibers here. It comes with a nice carrying case, and then obviously these loops at the end are all protected as well. So if you are using it on a side-by-side or a truck, you're not going to be cutting into it with your carabiners or with your U-bolts that you're going to be using to hold that on. So super nice strap. Hopefully we get out today and get a little bit stuck, and we'll give this thing a decent review. But see it. Got it. Nice. Woo! Alright, obviously this trail is awesome, but it's snowy and we are the first ones through, so we're punching it out. Oh yeah, she deep. It's like filthy deep, so this is all wind blown. This may be the spot we get to try our new strap. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Woo-wee! Oh! Woo! Oh, she deep.
Yeah, go right there.
Look at that, eh? There we go. Stuck City. Oh yeah. Posed up. Wow, what a pretty spot to be stuck. Too pretty, too pretty. Nice. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can you wag it? Oh, it might be too stuck. Uh-oh. We're 2 for 2. Can he move? Oh, he might have it. Oh, yeah. Nice. All right, so we're gonna try our new OpenRoad Kinetic strap to get him out of here. So I pulled up and I got stuck. So now we're good. We're gonna try pulling this out. Give her a shot, buddy, you're good. Let's see. Oh yeah. No problem. Calgary.
Well, yeah, he pulled me all the way home.
And now you get to pull me out, Steve. Or somebody does. Maybe not you. Might even be better if we just attach him to the front of me and he can just pull me through there.
Do you have a hook on the front?
Sure.
All right.
Come on out.
Okay, go on.
Time for number 2.
All right, give me your camera.
There you go. Oh, here he's got some speed. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the line. Right to the top. The old Razor's got some snot. That's the way to do it. Yeah. Woo! All right, you guys, so we got back. It's the next day. We had a really good day out. We did run into a lot of snow, so it's good to see that this kinetic rope does hold up. So a couple quick benefits about the kinetic ropes. Because you have that extra little bit of stretch whenever you need it, you can pull somebody out and generate a little bit more force, take a little bit more of a running start at it without jarring both your machine and the tow rope, which is a really big deal because when you see guys with the regular just woven nylon straps, there's no stretch. So when you have that jarring effect, you're either going to be yanking something off of the truck, Jeep, UTV, whatever you're pulling, or you're going to be snapping your rope because you all have all that stored kinetic energy. These kinetic ropes from OpenRoad, they have that stretch, they have that give, so that whenever you do tighten up, like you can see in that video when we pulled out, there was no jarring effect. So really, really good rope. It worked really well for us. We got out a couple times. I actually got both machines stuck when I was trying to pull in to help Steve out. So yeah, really good rope, good product, really affordable price. So if I were you, I'd head over to OpenRoad on their website and yeah, check it out. And I'll put a link to their website in the description here. They've got a couple other really cool things, a couple winches, stuff like that. But yeah, good product, solid construction. I really, really like how on the end of these here, it's nice and reinforced, so you're not going to be hurting this cable if it's attached to either a bumper or using a rough shackle or anything like that. It's going to protect those ends, which is nice. Comes with a strap attached, which it's a small but really usable feature because whenever you go to wrap this up in your truck, it comes back and it goes together really clean. So that's good. It doesn't take up too much space. So yeah, nice product. Good job, guys. We're going to keep using this for sure. Hard to tell with just using the UTV, but once we do have our next off-road machine, it'll be nice to have something that we can try with the bigger rigs and make sure it'll hold up to the heavy force. But that's it, you guys. Until next time, Country Slicker out of here.